Good day everyone, I am Ria May Al-Nasro from BSED Math 3A and this is my final project number 3 for M115 Abstract Algebra. So, we are going to determine whether the group is cyclic and the cyclic subgroup. But what is a cyclic group? So a group G is called a cyclic group if there exists an element G is an element of G such that G is equal to the group generated by G is equal to the set of G raised to n such that n is an element of Z. But what is a cyclic subgroup now? So, a subgroup G is a subgroup generated by some H is an element of G such that group generated by H is equal to the set of H such that N is an element of Z. So, here's the cyclic table, same doon sa final project number 1 completed table. So ngayon, we are going to explore and determine if the table is a cyclic subgroup or hindi by generating one element. So let's start on the element S. Let's determine if S is a generator of this group. So S star S is equal to S. So it did not generate all the elements that we have in the table. Therefore, we can say that S is not a generator and the elements generated by S is S only or our identity element. Now, let's determine naman if the element T is a generator of our group. So, T star T is equal to A star T is equal to R star T is equal to L star T is equal to O star T is equal to V star T is equal to E star T is equal to S star T is equal to T. And as you can see, element T did not generate the elements that we have in our table. So the elements generated by T are the elements A, R, L, O, V, E, S, and T. Therefore, T is not a generator. Next is we have the element A. Let's see if this element is a generator or not. So A star A is equal to L star A is equal to V star A is equal to S star A is equal to A. And as you can see, element A did not generate the elements that we have in our table. So the elements generated by A are the elements L, V, S, and A only. Therefore, A is not a generator. Next, we have the element R. Let's determine and explore if this element is a generator of our group table. So, R star R is equal to V star R is equal to T star R is equal to L star R is equal to E star R is equal to A star R is equal to O star R is equal to S, and S star R is equal to R. Therefore, we can conclude now that it is not a generator. So after doing the same process, to summarize it, our group is not a cyclic group because it did not generate a single element. Next, we are going to find and determine if all our subgroup has a generator to be a cyclic subgroup. As you can see here, we have here the proper subgroup and the trivial subgroup. from x sub 1 to x sub 18. Now let's have the x sub 1 with the elements S, A, L, V, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to determine if it is a cyclic subgroup. Let's generate all the elements. So let's start sa S. So S star S is equal to S. So since S is not a generator, therefore it is not a generator. Next is we have the A star A is equal to L. L star A is equal to V. V star A is equal to S. And S star A is equal to A. So as you can see, A is not a generator too. So let's move sa L element. L star L is equal to S. S star L is equal to L. Also, L is not a generator. Next is V. V star V is equal to L. L star V is equal to A. A star V is equal to A, or S rather. S star V is equal to V. So V is not a generator. So let's move to one element. 1 star 1 is equal to S. S star 1 is equal to 1. It is not also a generator. Let's move to 4. 4 star 4 is equal to S. S star 4 is equal to 1. Also, the element 4 is not a generator. Therefore, we can conclude that X sub 1 is not a cyclic subgroup. Next, let's have the X sub 4 with the elements S, L, A, and V. So we are going to determine if it is a cyclic subgroup. Let's generate all the elements. Let's start sa S again. So S star S is equal to S, since S is not a generator. Next is we have the L, the element L. L star L is equal to S, and S star L is equal to L. L is not also a generator. Let's have the A, the element A. A star A is equal to L. L star A is equal to V. V star A is equal to S. S star A is equal to A. As you can see, the A generates all the elements under the X sub 4. And now, let's have the element V. So V star V is equal to L. L star V is equal to A. A star V is equal to S. S star V is equal to V. Again, the element V generates all the elements under the X sub 4. Therefore, X sub 4 is a cyclic subgroup. So, we have here the X sub 9 naman. So, with the elements S and L. So, we are going to determine again and again if it is a cyclic subgroup. So S star S is equal to S. Again, S is not a generator. So let's have the element L. L star L is equal to S, and S star L is equal to S. As we observe, the element L generates all the elements under the X sub 9. Therefore, we can conclude that the X sub 9 is a cyclic subgroup. Next, we have here the trivial subgroup, which is the X sub 18 with the element S, or identity element. So S star S is equal to S. So as you can see, the element S generates the element under the X sub 18. Therefore, we can conclude that the X sub 18 is a cyclic subgroup. In conclusion, from the X sub 9 to X sub 18 are the abelian group, and they are also a cyclic subgroup. And that's all for today. I am Bria May Al Nasaro from BS Ed Math 3A, and this is my final project number 3 for M115 Abstract Algebra.